Memo akwaba de ba GNCN page so midi e de adwoa searching. Na Ghana fo bi se ensem bi ha omo panti yembisa Efia Schwarzenegger emfa emomo. Ne senti no ene na anti Efia Schwarzenegger ye bebisa wo sa asem no e de amagana fo. Ghana fo bi se yembisa wo se adenti e na wo mpese wudi wo fi asem sa. Ghana fo bi se yensanso bisa wo se na aho wo Efia Schwarzenegger na nkasa no etete ben pa na wo de etete wo mba enchire papa ben na wo de echire wo mba a ne senti no wo ka chire Mzbel se abofra na okofa na watete na ende ne maame aba be fa na Mzbel edi ho awerho no wo Efia Schwarzenegger wa be ye video e de ato internet ne so se Mzbel na ochire abofra no ensa no enti na nam so ane maame abefa abofra no ekọ na Ghana fosi bisa wo se Efia Schwarzenegger ona Mzbel de chese say yampa se Mzbel chira bofra ne nsa no maka mu mienu sunku bia enim because wo afia utumi nom ensa e wo mmofra no enim utumi ebo half naked e wo mmofra no enim na we nyina no enye tete papa nti adenti ene sese wo ka che Mzbel se ono wantete abofra na otene nchene yie nti na nam so ane maame aba abefa no na adofo de nti aganafo e ka se nyina ne se enche bia e na Mzbel edi ne birthday when you're 41 years na chese Mzbel no ho eyefe is it 41 and now 43 ni mo ba ho Mzbel when yie papa but no ho eyefe na nua e na odi ne birthday na Mzbel edi ne birthday no or the video be e bai na osu papa pani na ne se ne re aho because of abofra bi e wo street so abofra no wo friend John na enye da no Mzbel e beka ensem anase o yes a video no e beto out kra na ka Ghana fo bebre nim se Mzbel ne biological son ene abofra no na Mzbel ensem a okenya ne se watete abofra na fitini mofra brim chese Mzbel chese nyema waya abofra no enye nyema keto akra na nu ya ne maame aba befa abofra no maame ne reason na ne se ebi mo esre ne so ntumi enhwe ne ba e na ode no akwakoti na obi ne nchenti maame no abefa John eko na Mzbel chere se enye se ona nkasa wo ba e na sasa misi yanko betumi anom edru ekunu no kra enti no Mzbel de futu e ma Ghana fo Maria ya ba se onyima hwe na wanyin nsen ne wo na ono onyime no obi no tu ne fo na owo se nka wanwo ne ba na nka ene awerho ahye ne so manko betumi anom edru kra ewu na Mzbel e de video no e ba out no Ghana fo bebre yene no e de abobo papa because e ya awerho se abofra wo nkyanya na wonim so be wo nkyanya na imretie bi mo ne maame abefa ne se amanfo esre no na titru pass ode abofra no aye se ne ye me ba no eyade a eya reho papa ne no e na Efia Schwarzenegger one de ose wasemba obeke bi nanso no bi kana sema na ne buafu sister Efia me de me pe wasempa ba Ghana fo no mo sie bi saw Efia Schwarzenegger de video abeto abonte na o kire se abofra no kwa okoya na se ne maame fa obefa ni na na kire se Mzbel o sorry o kire abofra no ensa no e na obi ekoka kire ne maame a nam so maame no ebefa abofra no efi Mzbel ne nche na Efia Schwarzenegger e the video no eba out na manfo aya ne papa na abrofo yenti e video no kakra
no onkoye ni yi o obi obaje wo ba onko tete ni yi what you say make sense so biem when you allow a 14 years boy a 15 years boy to drink smell of ice which is alcoholic, are you doing good to that child? Are you doing good to that child? Sa kolani di 18 na die no be. Sa kolani di 18 na e die na sa kolano obeye. We should be bia. E was a way as a young girl to raise your own children. Do it. Me awani na ye peduma na fa wonsa ye madam utonsu a unye kurasi ni o utonsu a. Let me just remind you something. Mama men kai mu bibi ketuwa bi me ame papa say Kwame Despite he is if not the richest man in Ghana. He is one if not the richest man in Ghana. Today I came to remind you that Dr. or say Kwame despite why then or tonchine. You two are your dated sorts. Any dear or tonchine. Now, what dear I was going to mean tonchine. Oh, what dear. Oh, what dear I was going to mean tonchine. Doctor said Kwame despite or ton enchine. He sells salt. For once I do my would that. We are doing wood that. Doctor Oforisapon specialize here on the start here. And so, why the woods to catch Dr. Oforisapon? Otonsio, and no pepe casachra wagine. Otonsio, Obiumia. And I want to be your mommy, and I want to be your mommy. Me and my children, we've been homeless before. Me and my children, I said it several, we've been homeless before. And if your mommy is homeless today, it doesn't mean she'll be homeless forever. If you don't have it today, it doesn't mean you will not have it. Me, I'm strongly against Obidineba. Na Ujana, no. Ekurawa. Hey, una ukurawa dio. Una atiana wote. Una okasa na wote. Una abetimi aka wono kure achire no. And young ladies, we should learn to cut our coats. First, you need to cut your coat according to your size. Obi want a size and a switch any coat, no. So now you cut your coat according to your fabric. Or fabric and then swan. Now upon Jarabia, no what's nasty. This generation more pray. May start cancer subium. Raise your kids. Do something. A yen pa. A ye one seed in pa. It's your hard-earned money. When you read the Bible, say, and so whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. Not just you have to do something. What I say? Bible class, whatsoever they do it, they shall prosper. They like don't baby and shiraba so. Not just I was so weird baby. I was so weird baby. I was so don't say a ye baby and jawu back and fan koma will be emanin seno. What I say? And jawu back and fan koma will be emanin seno. Because a bass say ya, I did say ya. Ni nyamia memoir editing. Nyamia memoir editing. Me de dem be kan ya no no. Ko to amen komoso why? Dem be kan ya no no. Ko to amen komoso. Me sa kesi so. Obi de be jawa. Hweni yie. Titini yie. Me house girls grab no matter no. When they go, they come back. Mommy, ya feel. Mommy, ya feel. Mommy, we want to come and spend Christmas with you. Mommy, we want to come home. Why? Because in this house, we raise heroes and champions by the grace of God. Obi dinadi jawa shosuye. Ush obi adie suye ebeye wodia. That is for a fact. So obi dinadi ma na shosuye, you end up owning it. You own it with no stress. You own it with no stress. What you say? Nyamisha mo what? Na omo mo ho ban what? Na onfa oja enhwe atamfo. Ene nkwasiafo. Nyame ema adom ene kese ewo moso. Na bronya yi asima make adwene ho na nasi pa adwuma bi ye wate pa adwuma bi ye wate uye adwuma hu pa adwuma ye fansa ye adwuma den wate e ko anyim wate ne bye bye me de nchaka sienso feel gone ebrem
fie na ya hu video a efia Schwarzenegger na video no ko comment na se a positive comment ba kumpo ni na negative nko a because amafo mo ya papa se efia Schwarzenegger kasa omo se wo afia entete papa bi ene wa de ma wo ba nam so ente se wo kasa asem no de kire ekuya Belinda Mzbel na yenti comment a ebi mo de ba we papa boosty and I say what training cry are you giving to your kids? You always show your nakedness to your kids and you call that training. Madam, wise up, now you are growing. Okay. And I went so nana nyakon sapon and I say you smoke and drink alcohol in front of your adopted child and you are here talking about someone who you just enjoy talking about Mzbel and I went so Janet Efia and I just how do you train your own? Why are you like that? You always show your nude pictures to your kids and I went so Doreen and I just and Efia is better version of Mzbel, a woman who drinks, smoke, walk all naked and talk and nasty in the presence of her kids. Thinks she's a better role model to her kids than another woman was and I went so Veronica and I just said you wear pants and shorts in the presence of your little girl. That is good. This woman and Kasa, something is wrong with you. Just mind your business. Why do I even feel like you are behind this? Okay. Anyway, so Francisca and I just say what kind of woman are you? Why do you hate Mzbel so much? Or is it because she's beautiful than you? Stop sleeping with dogs. Oh, anyway, so Resi Kumsin and I'll just look at who is talking. You that drink and strip naked in front of your twins, think you are training your kids well? And why are you always on Mzbel case? It's obvious you envy her really bad. Okay, and and some way na Ghana phobia Efia Schwarzenegger said you drink in front of your kids, you smoke in front of your kids, you walk naked in front of your kids and I think so all kind nasty things wo umben intadenti and abekache Mzbel say ono ontitene ba ye nti and some way na Ghana phobia si yenka kire anti Efia Schwarzenegger medin de address searching subscribe to my channel na me bell no so be your notification video bi abenya bi ahwe medase.